What's going on, YouTube fans? Everybody's doing today, and welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. And in today's episode, I am in the new R211 subway train. You see the A train, and I wanted to show you guys this new train. And tell me if you like how it looks like. You think it looks better than the trains that we are using lately? Because right now the A train is actually using this train right now, and this is so fucking nice, guys. I mean, it has little seating, of course, because as you can see, this is how it looks like, and at least they got the New York City map and all that. But it looks awesome, guys. Like, I mean, even the floors are different. Wow, they even have cameras, all that stuff, and this is so crazy. So I wanted to show you guys this because I was like, yo, this should look fucking retarded, guys, and I like it. I think this is the new modern train right now, guys. And if you ever rode on it, let me know. Drop your comments down below. And if you didn't, and if you haven't, well, this is it. Look at how the station looks like.
Staten Street.
And I fucking love this car. Like, I'm in it and I'm like, let me show you guys this. But it looks so cool. Now don't forget, please offer a seat. Look at that. It has very cool stuff. I like it, guys. Now, if you want to look at the outside of it, we're gonna have to wait till the next stop, because right now we're only in Dykeman. So take a ride with me, guys. Let's have a seat.
This is the 207th Street Expressway. The next and last stop is Inwood 207th Street.
It looks so nice, guys. I love this train. I just wish there was more seating. Oh, it looks like it. I like how they designed it too. Look at that. It looks so nice. So nice. It has the blue, and it has the yellow. Well, a little bit yellow. It has more blue. See? I'm sitting on the yellow right now. That's a little small window as well. But I'm gonna show you guys. See, they only got one yellow here, mostly blue. And then they got the yellow right there as well. But I wanna show you the outside of it. Look at that. The A train. Now we're about to go outside of it. Once we get off the last stop, which is 207th Street, Inwood. For those that don't know, look at that. The A train goes to Queens. You know Queens, I'm from Queens. Brooklyn and Manhattan. Wow, this is so cool. All right, let's have a seat now.
This is Inwood 207th Street.
Transfer is available to the BX12 Select Bus Service.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
That's so nice, guys. Now, this is what you call a train. At least you guys had a ride with me here. The only thing is that there's no seats right here, which kind of sucks, as you can see. But it's just a few seatings. about to stop. All right, now let's go outside and I'm gonna show you how this train looks like from the outside. You saw this from the inside. So every subway car and this one looks like this, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you the outside of the R211. Ready? Look at this, brand new train, look at that. That's the outside of it, that's amazing, that looks so crazy. And I like how it has the LED lights, that's amazing. That's a brand new fucking train, guys. That's so cool. So come and check it out, guys. Check out this brand new train over here. The A has it. It looks so nice. Yeah, man. New York City's changing. It's getting better and better, guys. So if you like what you see and you're interested in joining the Exclusive Family Discord group channel, you already know I'm going to put the link in the description below. That being said, guys, you know who I be. They call me Your Mills Got Skills. They call me Nomad Patriot. They call me The Slider. Team YGE versus Team Slider on the Team Donkey Productions. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care, guys. Stay safe. I love you all. Thanks again for the support. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.